guess. Stick it in your bra.
It didn't work so good for me earlier.
Let's see whose name was on that. What do you think that says?
Me.
Huh?
Me.
Me? I think it says Kaylee.
Yeah.
Is your name me?
No.
Okay.
Rip it on the other end.
Yeah, listen to your mommy. She's real good at opening presents.
Oh, that's a good spot for her.
It is.
Yeah.
Right by the window, kind of out of the way.
But if we put her bed by the window upstairs, she won't sleep here.
Cool.
Well, it's probably not like that. I mean, Dad's right there. So she's probably cozy.
Space here, you mean?
No, that's not what I was saying. Just the comfort.
Ooh, what is it?
What is it?
Cooking stuff.
Oh.
Now you can... Lucy, don't come to me with that stupid tongue.
Why is springs on here?
That's for whipping stuff.
Stop. Sit down. Sit. Sit.
Yay!
Oh, there's another one.
Wow, you're very old little mini dishes.
I want to hand them to you without stabbing you.
Ooh. Do you know what that's for? Whipping. You can, like, whip eggs with this. This is called a ladle.
You're getting out soup.
Can you bring it here and show me?
That's a noodle fork, noodle spoon. What is that?
Kaylee.
Oh, you probably
Spatula.
What's this?
What are those?
Lucy, come here.
Go show Daddy.
I know.
Show
Lay
them to
down.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Are those tweezers?
No.
What are they? What are they?
No.
They're tweezers.
No.
Starts with a T.
Tongues.
Tongs. Thank you.
Wait a minute, come here.
What else?
What do you mean, what else?
What else?
Show Daddy what other kind of spoons and stuff we got.